I want to read to you just a little bit out of this amazing book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. And I'm in chapter 7, towards the end of the chapter, How Faith Can Make You Whole. A young man who had severe eye trouble came to my lectures on the healing power of the subconscious mind. His ophthalmologist told him he would have to have a delicate, risky operation. After learning about the scientific basis of prayer, the young man said to himself, "My subconscious made my eyes, and it can heal me." Each night as he went to sleep, he entered into a drowsy, meditative state, the condition akin to sleep. His attention was immobilized and focused on the eye doctor. He imagined the doctor was in front of him, and he plainly heard or imagined he heard the doctor saying to him, "A miracle has happened." He heard this over and over again every night for 5 minutes or so before going to sleep. 3 weeks later, he had another appointment with the ophthalmologist who had examined his eyes. The physician examined him again, then exclaimed, "This is a miracle." What had happened? This man impressed his subconscious mind using the eye doctor as an instrument or means of convincing it and conveying the idea. Through repetition, faith, and expectancy, he impregnated his subconscious mind. His subconscious mind had made his eye. It held within it the perfect pattern or blueprint of the eye's normal, healthy structure. Once impregnated with the idea of restoring the eye to its healthy state, it immediately proceeded to heal the eye. That's pretty amazing. This is another example of how faith in the healing power of your subconscious can make you whole. I'm going to read you at the end of each chapter. It gives you points, important points to remember. Number 1, your subconscious is the builder of your body and is on the job 24 hours a day. You interfere with its life-giving pattern by negative thinking. Number 2, charge your subconscious with the task of evolving an answer to any problem prior to sleep, and it will answer you. Number 3, watch your thoughts. Every thought accepted as true is sent by your conscious cortex to your subconscious brain structures and is brought into your world as a reality. Number 4, know that you can remake yourself by giving a new blueprint to your subconscious mind. Number 5, the tendency of your subconscious is always lifeward. Your job is with your conscious mind. Feed your subconscious mind with premises that are true. Your subconscious is always reproducing according to your habitual mental patterns. Number 6, you build a new body every 11 months. Change your body by changing your thoughts and keeping them changed. Number 7, it is normal to be healthy. It is abnormal to be ill. There is within the innate principle of harmony. Number 8, thoughts of jealousy, fear, worry, and anxiety tear down and destroy your nerves and glands, bringing about mental and physical diseases of all kinds. So think about stuff like that next time you put something into your subconscious mind. Hey, whatever you put in to your subconscious is going to go back out into the world. You put bad stuff into your thoughts, and you're going to give out bad feelings, and you're going to be accepting more bad feelings. So it's pretty simple. Change your thoughts, change your life. That's what this book is all about. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.